Hello, Professor. This is Alberto Martinez with the demo for Project 2, Part 2, Section 1. So to start us all off, we have a PLL in order to set the system clock to 80 megahertz, as well as UART0 and UART1. UART0 is capable of communicating between the keyboard and the keyboard and serial terminal with the first microcontroller. And then UART1 is able to communicate between microcontroller 1 and microcontroller 2. As you can see, we also have ADC here, which is connected to a potentiometer on PE2 here. As you can see, we initialize the clock, and we have analog functionality as well. Initialize the ADC and set the appropriate registers to where they need to be. From there, we initialize SysTick, and we initialize it at about 40 megahertz in order to make the connection a little bit more stable. Enable interrupts, and to get into the meat of this, we first get the ADC data from the potentiometer, and we're gonna put that into this variable here. And the next thing we will do is we will output the ADC value onto UART0. We as well are converting that ADC data into a string using this function here, which will take the number and transform it into ASCII values. And then we will send that data out to the terminal, and it will be displayed on the terminal, as well as having this out string to UART1. It will be sent to the second microcontroller in order to be able to use that data for the LED on the second microcontroller. As you can see over here, this is the second microcontroller, which will take the data from the ADC from UART1, and it will output it to the PWM, which is set in port F2, so the blue LED. And here we're just taking the data, setting the PWM divider, and so on, changing the load. And then the part that is changing the actual brightness of it is when we change the duty cycle down here. And with that, we use that function, and I made it a little brighter because it was a little dark. But yeah, let's show you the demo. As you can see, we have this terminal that is just outputting the ADC value here. As you can see, if I slide this potentiometer, the value will begin to increase the higher it goes. All the way up will equal 409. And as you can see as well, whenever I slide this, you can see the LED begin to dim and brighten as it is going up and down. And I believe that is all for the demo for this part, and I will get the other ones to you all together. Have a great day.